Absolutely, and it does not take much to do this. I mean, just a little bit of drizzle even on a frozen surface and you can get very icy conditions if it's an untreated surface. Now, right now in Boston, it's 35 degrees. The Charles River is frozen over right now, so it gives you the idea. We're really cold out there. And you look into Worcester, it's a little bit colder, especially with that fresh blanket of snow now over the city where it's only 29 degrees. So we have this rainmaker coming in from the west, and it's so warm that that's why we're talking about rain. And it's raining in places like Buffalo and even up into parts of Michigan right now. This will then come roaring its way in here, but it's falling onto those cold surfaces, which is why we're concerned about some freezing rain tonight. And just to show you how dynamic this is, that's actually a tornado watch box until 8 o'clock tonight for parts of Illinois and Indiana. That is really unusual for the end of December. So here you see, there's that wintry mix coming in right now with some sleet, but mostly in the form of some freezing rain working in. So what's going to happen? Well, the next 12 hours, freezing rain. Watch out, icy roads and icy sidewalks especially. And that's going to mean a slow morning commute. Some of it because of ice, but also because it's going to be raining out there. And if you're planning ahead for next weekend, we're going to go into a cold pattern. Tomorrow's going to be warm, and then it stays cold, and it stays cold all the way into next weekend. So tonight, we have that freezing rain out there, then eventually turning over to all rain, icy roads and sidewalks. Lows tonight, 28 to 38. So the temperature's not going to change much and may actually go up a little bit overnight tonight. Tomorrow, some early ice inland areas and then periods of rain throughout the day. It won't rain all day, but it will be gray, and there'll be showers and occasional downpours coming through. And it will get very windy tomorrow evening, and that will bring back the cold weather. But tomorrow, relatively warm, 44 to 52 degrees. So here's the timing of that. There's that ice initially moving in here, 9, 10 o'clock into the central part of the state. Should be into Boston by about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. And then we'll keep that rain going. And you can see where the temperatures are coldest up here to the north. That's the best chance for seeing some of this icing conditions. To the south, it does start to get a little bit warmer, and as the night goes on, continues to warm up. So tomorrow morning, this is what you'll have out there. A few occasional showers. The temperature's warming up a bit, but still cold if you're traveling to the north. That's where you want to be really careful about it. We'll get another band of rain coming through here around lunchtime, but look at that. We're already around 50 degrees in some spots. And then this goes by, and now the skies begin to clear away. But now we start picking up the wind and bringing the cold air right back in over the top of us. So we're looking at how much ice could build up. This is what we call ice accretion. This is just putting down a glaze. Once you get to a quarter inch, you start to load up some of those tree branches. Those could fall into a power line. You might have a scattered power outage, but it's not enough to really load up the power lines and bring them down. You get north of Manchester, though, they're going to be loading up those power lines quite a bit. We may have some more power outages up there. A lot of rain with this thing, anywhere between a quarter and an inch of rain. The farther north you go, the more moisture we're talking about out of this whole thing. So the cold air to get scoured out and the warm air moves in, and that gives us that rain. But then right behind it, watch what happens. Cold, windy conditions coming in on Tuesday. So tomorrow we'll be near 50 degrees, and on Tuesday we'll only get to 28 degrees. That's what I mean, a cold, gusty wind coming in here. Wind chills will be down near zero on Tuesday and even on Wednesday morning. We do rebound a little bit, but still cold for this time of year. Perhaps a few first night flurries are out there, and maybe even a few isolated snow showers for the New Year day, but it doesn't look like any big storms on the horizon after we get through about the next 24 to 36 hours. But it is a cold forecast, staying cold all the way into next week.